Guys, what if I told you that 2026 might be the biggest year in Apple history? Not just a normal upgrade year, but a complete redesign of the iPhone lineup, a new era of AI-powered devices, and even Apple's first ever foldable iPhone. And here's the twist. Apple might not even launch a standard iPhone 18 in 2026. Instead, we could see a wave of futuristic devices that completely change how we use smartphones, laptops, and even smart homes. So in today's video, we're breaking down everything Apple is reportedly preparing for 2026. Based on the latest leaks, supply chain reports, and analyst predictions, let's get started. Apple is reportedly planning one of its biggest strategy changes in years. Instead of launching all iPhone models during a single fall event, reports suggest Apple may split releases into multiple phases. Premium devices such as the iPhone 18 Pro lineup and the foldable iPhone could arrive first, while standard models may be pushed into 2027. This strategy would allow Apple to focus on its most advanced products, reduce production pressure, and avoid internal competition between devices. If these reports are accurate, 2026 could become one of the most important years in Apple's history. Moving on to the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. According to current leaks, these devices could deliver some of the biggest camera and display upgrades we've ever seen on an iPhone. Apple is reportedly working on an under-display Face ID system, creating a cleaner front design with fewer visible cutouts. The phones are also expected to feature the new A20 Pro chip built on advanced 2nm technology, offering better performance and improved power efficiency. Battery life could see another major improvement, while camera upgrades may include a variable aperture system that physically adjusts the amount of light entering the lens, similar to professional DSLR cameras. Although the overall design may remain close to the iPhone 17 Pro series, Apple is expected to focus heavily on AI-powered features, making photography, voice assistants, and everyday tasks much smarter and more personalized. Now let's talk about what could be Apple's biggest product. Launch of the decade, the company's first foldable iPhone. After years of rumors, Apple is finally expected to enter the foldable smartphone market in 2026. Leaks suggest a book-style design that unfolds into a display measuring roughly 7.8 inches, while the outer screen could be around 5.5 inches. Apple is reportedly developing an ultra-thin premium design along with a new hinge system built for long-term durability. Some analysts even believe Apple may avoid using the Fold name altogether and instead market the device as the iPhone Ultra. Pricing is expected to be extremely premium, potentially making it one of the most expensive iPhones ever released. If successful, this device could completely redefine Apple's smartphone lineup. The Apple Watch is expected to evolve as well. Leaks point toward improved health tracking sensors, better battery efficiency, and more advanced AI-powered fitness coaching features. Apple may also introduce a thinner and more refined design while expanding health-focused capabilities that make the watch an even more valuable companion for everyday life. One of the most underrated parts of Apple's 2026 strategy could be its smart home expansion. Reports suggest the company is developing a dedicated smart home hub designed to control connected devices throughout the home. Guys, Apple is also rumored to be working on new HomePod-style products and additional home security solutions. The goal is clear: compete more directly with Amazon Alexa and Google Home while building a stronger ecosystem around Apple devices. Artificial intelligence is expected to be at the center of nearly everything Apple does in 2026. The company is reportedly preparing a major Siri overhaul powered by advanced AI and large language models. This next-generation Siri could offer more natural conversations, deeper app integration, context-aware assistance, and smarter interactions across multiple Apple devices. Instead of simply answering commands, Siri may become a true AI assistant capable of understanding tasks and personal preferences more effectively. The new AI system is expected to work seamlessly across iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and smart home products, creating a much more connected ecosystem. So overall, 2026 is shaping up to be one of Apple's most ambitious innovation years ever. We could see the iPhone 18 Pro with major camera upgrades, Apple's first foldable iPhone, a dramatically improved AI-powered Siri, and a much larger smart home ecosystem. Of course, it's important to remember that none of these products have been officially confirmed by Apple. Everything discussed in this video is based on leaks, supply chain information, and analyst reports. But if even half of these rumors become reality, 2026 could be the year that changes Apple's future forever. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, Make sure to like, subscribe the Upgrade Zone, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Apple updates and technology news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.